Welcome back, guys. I have a super cool car in for tuning today, and I wanted to share it with you guys. This is a 97 EK sedan. It has a B series swap, but it also has pretty nice turbo setup, so it should put down some good numbers. So I thought I'd share it with you guys. This setup is put together all by the owner and helped by a local shop called OGX Race, who does really good work as well. And it should make some good power today. So why don't I share all the build details, and then we'll get to some tuning and see what it makes. So this is obviously a B series swap. It has a, it's fully built actually. It has B16 head, GSR bottom end. It is sleeved. It has Wiseco 10-to-1 compression pistons, Saenz rods. It has Supertech springs and retainers, and Skunk2 Pro 1 cams. That's pretty much it for the engine. And then turbo kit wise, it is a PLM top mount turbo. It has the infamous Boostedboiz GTX 35R ball bearing turbo, custom 3-inch exhaust, and charge piping. It is CX Racing charge piping kit, 2.5-inch with intercooler. Intake manifold wise, it's running the Skunk2 intake manifold. It has 1000cc injectors, K-tune 4-bar map sensor, and a Walboro 255 fuel pump in the tank, and we're tuning it on a Hondata S300 today. So the plan is to run probably about 20 pounds of boost, and because we're going to be tuning it on 94 octane. Like I said in previous videos, it would be great if I could tune this on E85. We just, in Ontario, we don't have access to it at the pumps, so most of the cars end up running either 91 or 94. So today it's on 94, and we're gonna see what it puts down. So why don't we get started? Alright guys, all said and done with the tune. It did turn out fantastic. The car put down some great numbers, and what I ended up having up here on the graph is a few of the polls with different boost levels to share with you how it performed. So ultimately, I fed the boost in, so it starts around 15-16 pounds of boost around here, and then it tapers up to the peak. So peak, we ended up hitting just a bit under 22 pounds of boost on the green line, which was 516 horsepower and 330 foot-pounds torque. And 21 pounds of boost is the blue line, which ended up being 500 and 318. And then I also have a pull where it only had 13 pounds of boost, which is the red line. 13 pounds of boost, it made 401 horse and 254 pounds torque. So that's about it for this tune. Put down some good numbers. I know the guy's gonna be super happy with this. He's gonna be taking it to the drag strip soon, and we'll have to see what it ends up putting down at the drag strip. So anyways, that's about it for this tune. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon. Bye now.